My name is SYAZLEEN from ISMP IBT. So for the food styling assignment, I still don't know what should I do, but I think I should do something like more commercial, like when you take a picture of it and then it will turn out really good. I think I will do main course, but I still don't know what menu should I choose. Maybe I should do the stuffed chicken, or maybe aglio. I still cannot think of it, but I will do it. Yeah, I will do it, and after this I will go to the mart and I'll buy some stuff for the videos and things, and I'll do the shooting here, and I will show you the process of making the food. Maybe just a slight show and how I cook the food. I'll just like show the process of how I take the picture, how I turn the product to something commercial, to something that we can sell, to something that people can attract people to buy. That's how the assignments work, and yeah, that's it. I think I'll just do it like that. Do you want to follow me to the mart or not? Maybe I will just buy some stuff. Yeah, let's go. So I'm going to the mart right now, but I'm still thinking of what should I do, the food styling things. Either it's the main course or the mushroom soup, because I have the mushroom soup ingredients. So yeah. So I have already decided on what menu should I cook for food styling. I think I'm going with mushroom soup, because I'm still having the ingredients like from the past task, which is I still have the mushroom, and then the mushroom is quite easy and the ingredients are not too much, just something that I can get, something that there's in my house, there's in my kitchen. So let's go doing the food styling. I look so like someone who's just burned their face. Okay, first I will cook the mushroom soup first, and then yeah. Okay guys, so let's get started with styling the food. So I have already done with cooking this mushroom soup. Okay, and then I have garlic bread here, homemade, parsley, and what is it, mushroom chunk. This is the hack. Okay, so first of all I'm going to do with chopping, potong. I don't know how, but is it like this, or should I do it like this? Okay, potong. We cut it half like this. Really used to doing work while sitting, but it's okay. And I have this here, so let me show you guys. Alright, so this is the mushroom soup. First of all, I'm going to put this parsley, which is actually coriander leaf. I don't find any parsley nearby, so I have to buy this. You just put it like in the middle like this. Bismillah. Oh, gitu. Sikit lagi. It's okay. Don't panic, everyone. Don't panic. Jangan pakai tangan, kita pakai sudu. Okay, kalau pakai tangan nanti cause contamination. Okay, kita cantikkan semula macam tu. Gitu. So, okay, parsley dah dekat tengah-tengah. Tak lagi sikit. I like it a lot actually, but kita nak buat western. Okay, so this is the mushroom chunk, which is I will put like macam ni. Okay, untuk nampakkan yang dia ni actually mushroom soup, bukan sup lain. Nampak tak? Itu. So tak adalah mushroom bertemakan mushroom air je. Dia macam mandi-mandi dalam situ. Okay, begitu. Nampaklah cang-cang gitu. Sebab kalau saya nak makan mushroom soup, masih ada rasa cang-cang tu, baru sedap. Cang apa? Begitu. Okay ke? Macam pelik je. Okay, wait. Alright. Okay, lepas tu tepi-tepi ni kita mestilah lap untuk tidak menampakkan kecomotan di situ. Okay, lepas tu kita letakkan atas ini bersama-sama dengan garlic bread. Lepas tu kita keluarkan dari talam. Lepas tu kita ambil garlic bread. Kita ambil yang nampak macam garlic bread. Ni buat tepi sikit. Garlic bread. Okay ke? Garlic bread 3 lah. Alright. Lepas tu kita nak ambil, lepas tu kita nak ambil gambar.